Editing documents like a pro no longer requires Photoshop or complicated software. Just open any browser and search for I Love PDF, then open the website to access its editing tools. Once the website opens, you'll immediately see the Select PDF File option on the screen. Tap on it and upload the document you want to edit directly from your device. After the file is uploaded, you can start customizing the document exactly the way you want. The editor gives you multiple powerful tools like add text, add images, draw, highlight sections, add shapes, organize pages, and much more. This makes it perfect for editing resumes, notes, scanned PDFs, assignments, or professional documents directly from your phone or browser. Once your document is fully edited and ready, simply tap on the Save Changes button. After the processing is complete, click on Download PDF to save the final edited document directly to your device and start using it instantly.